Hello, let's do Starstruck for Saturday, January 10th. We'll start with the easy. It's called Stickman. All right, this is a gimme. Now, this top row has to give a star to dark blue, so the rest of dark blue we can just X out. All right. This is a straight line up, so the rest of the column can't be used. This is a straight line up, so the rest of that column can't be used. Anything else from these? This is a straight line down, so the rest of that column can't be used. This is a straight line, so these can't be used. Straight line, so that can't be. That's a star for the blue. That's a star for red, yellow, orange, brown, gray, and then this dark orange, and then this blue. All right. Just had to follow the straight lines. All right, let's try the hard. It's called isolated areas. Okie dokie. This takes out of here and here and here. They all see the entirety of gray. These all see this one. This touches them all. And then this takes out from here and here and here. This is an L shape, which now takes out of there, and this touches all of them. Okay, so far so good. Oh, this middle column is completely blue. So the rest can't be blue. Or sorry, blue can't have another star in it. It's going to get it in this column. Oh, and this row. Sorry, this column and this row. So the star is just in the middle. Okay, so does that help? This is a straight line, so we can't take it out of those. And then also this touches both of them. Orange doesn't quite see the entirety. Can I do anything with this? There's got to be a little bit more to do here. One of these two's in. Okay, so brown and blue and gray use these three columns here. Let me just show you my little pen tool here. So I'm talking about these three columns. Notice how the blue, the gray, and the brown are going to give 3 stars to those 3 columns, and so we can't have more stars in those columns. So none of those reds. Oh, could have also just seen the first column doing that. That's a little bit easier. First column gives it to red, so the rest of red isn't in. It's the same. It's actually the same logic, just transposed. What else can we do here? Green and brown. Okay, so no, brown doesn't necessarily have to use. Okay, maybe we gotta do a little look ahead here. If we take this yellow, then we have to take this orange and this green. This brown. That seems okay. What I'm looking at is this. This I'm noticing takes out of these two, right? And then it forces another star. Anytime you have that, that can be extremely powerful. And so you kind of just look ahead a little bit, and you see that it needs this brown here, which then takes out of here, which then needs this guy, which takes out of these two, which needs this guy, takes out of here and here. I kind of just focus on one region at a time. Takes out of these two and this one. This takes out of here. It seems to work, so that might be the solution. So let's try the other way. Does this do enough? The problem is the other case doesn't really do much to help us. So we need to find another place to look. Maybe one of these two. So taking this one would take out of these two. So it takes this one. So we wouldn't get this. We wouldn't get this. I don't know. These aren't in. This isn't in. This. Oh wait, are those both in the same column? I did something wrong. This one would take out of. Oh no, that's just very easy. Sorry. This can't be in because it sees the entirety blue. I somehow just didn't notice that. Oops. I hit undo on my pen tool instead of undo there. Anyway, this takes it sees all of them. So we can actually just place this gray, which places this blue. All right, that's not too bad. Those line up. That doesn't matter. These line up. Okay, so yellow and the rest of this orange line up, so these aren't in. These 3 touch this one. This is now a straight line. Now the brown has to take that one. Green takes that one. Orange and yellow and dark orange and red. All right. That actually wasn't too bad. I just wasn't seeing that blue took out of that one for some reason. I really should have. All right, cool. Well, how'd you do?